am back at the flower show in Philadelphia hosted by the Pennsylvania Horticultural Society, and I am standing in front of this incredible flower display. It is made of orchids and a ton of other gorgeous botanicals. It is massive, it is beautiful, it is truly one of a kind, and I have been trying to get a picture of it, and everyone is just standing in front of it in full amazement, and honestly it is truly spectacular. I'm gonna just show you guys this because honestly it is just too beautiful to even just capture in one video. There's so many people trying to get a picture in front of it because it's just truly exquisite. And then of course they have the landscape going on up here in the front, which is just incredible and stunning. I just would love, I mean, look at these big vases and then the plant life coming out in front. You don't see this unless you come here. I walked up to these myself and I had to feel them because I was curious to see if the flowers were living, and they are. And I'm trying not to interrupt everybody's gorgeous pictures. You can honestly, you can smell the flowers, and just all these orchids and these roses in between here are just, they're all real. And I mean, look at the bouquets. Like if you look, there's rose bouquets throughout, and just, oh my gosh, it's just, honestly, it's breathtaking. So, look at that. Here is the name of the installation company. So we'll have to look these up later, but oh my god, it's stunning. Here is all the floral, I mean, this is just the entrance, you guys, of the flower show, and you can just see there is just a row full of gorgeous flowers, and that is the magnificent entrance. And honestly, this display just starts it off. In full bloom is the theme. Every year there's a theme, and this year the theme is in full bloom, and that the theme is well-being through gardening. And I love that because I feel like it speaks to us so much. I talk to you guys all about gardening and growing plants and how beautiful it is and how truly nurturing and healing gardening is. I love, honestly, growing flowers. That to me is just one of the most healing things and most beautiful things. And let me tell you something, these floral displays are honestly breathtaking. I've never seen anything like it in my life. So come follow me, let's have a little fun, let's have a couple drinkies, and let's go look at all these displays. I don't even know how you're gonna top that orchid display. I could only imagine what's inside, so let's go. Okay, you guys, I'm back in front of the doorway welcomes. Last time I was here, they had totally different welcomes. So I don't know if they're having different doorway welcomes every day, but these doorway welcomes are next level. So I just want to show you guys them because I'm honestly shook, and I want you guys to tell me which ones are your favorites. And they're clearly competing to see which ones are the best. So I want you guys to tell me which ones you guys like. Now, something really truly special are all of these amazing exhibits that you guys have to see. Look at what's behind me. Look at that. I'm gonna walk you guys around. I'm gonna show you all of the beautiful exhibits. Let me tell you something, all of these plants are real. All of these creations are real. It's all art through planting, and it is truly magnificent. I'm going to try to capture at least a fragment of how gorgeous it is through this camera, but honestly, in real life, it is even more spectacular. Look at these hydrangeas. I need to talk to these guys. Oh, the endless summer. How did they get them to bloom so beautiful? Each one is perfectly bloomed for this show. Who do I need to talk to for this? How? I know this is like basic gardening, but how does this happen? Do you guys know what I mean? I want to know how each of them bloomed so perfectly. If you notice, each of these plants are bloomed to perfection for this show, and I want to know how it's done. Don't you guys? Look at all these gorgeous exhibits, and just look at all these plants and how magnificent they are. Even, look at this, even if you pay attention to the vegetables, even the vegetables have blooms. They're all real. Look at this. Each plant has a bloom, and this is only here for a week. They set this up just for this show. So these landscapers are able to get all of these plants to perfectly bloom. So this might be one of the coolest things at the show. It's a gigantic mushroom mountain, and it is made of real mushrooms, and they're made of reishi mushrooms. And at the top they have plants growing, but it talks about all of the importance of fungi, because all behind here it gives you all important lessons of fungi and how good it is for your health. I die laughing because me and my cousin were talking about the importance of mushrooms in one of my vlogs and how important they are to your health, and algae, and you can even smell the mushrooms. The mushrooms are real, and just standing here I can smell them. And then they have a bunch of foxglove up at the top here and a bunch of other gorgeous plants, and then They just gives you a bunch of mushroom facts behind you. So even if you want to like bring your kids, you can teach them so much about different plants. It's really, really something to see. It's just honestly one of a kind. This whole entire experience is literally an experience and a learning experience all in one. And I just walk around in awe because there's so much to see, so much to do, and so much to learn. And I am just like wanting to just copy everything I see. Like, you guys don't even know. I just want to like go home and start planting. Like, that's how excited I am right now, you guys. I am currently at happy hour at the flower show. So what they have is like a ton of vendors, and you just take these little samples. I already drank two. They have tequila, they have wine, they have margaritas, and it's a row. If I can just show you guys, they have Jim Beam going on, and it's all of these little tents, if you can make them out. And everybody is just sampling them. It's completely free. If you like what you test, you can buy it at full price, but everything is free, and it's literally a full row right next to the entertainment station. I just think that is so fun and a great addition to the show. So, cheers. Around this gorgeous, gigantic nest. I call it the human nest, but like, look at the floral arrangements around it. That's all intertwined and wrapped, full of live plants and a water feature in between. I'm just so blown away by it. This is my favorite, hands down, my favorite attraction here. I just exhibit here. I absolutely love it. Just the detail of it is just magnificent. It's my favorite. And then you take it around here. I'd love to know, oh, Schaefer Designs. Flower inspired by bowerbird. I'm just the butterfly master.
Okay, well,
see this?
Okay. I will. Don't stand up.
It's sugar water. Raya, show them around. Isn't this beautiful? It's $5 and you can just play with all these. Oh, look at it, it's on my hand now. It likes La Mer. It likes all the La Mer on my hands.